Hi guys, thanks for finding my page on my abstract sculptures. I just want to go through the process of how I put these together. It starts off with like a lot of sketches, a lot of kind of just sort of really wild, crazy ideas, just letting the pencil flow. And the idea is to try and sort of come up with something that no one has seen before. And once I've got the sketch, then I've got to get the other side of it as well. So like I hold it up against a window or something like that to kind of work out how both sides of the sculpture work, because you need to have the composition. Everything needs to flow right around the whole sculpture. And then from that point on, obviously I then kind of work out the measurements, have the right size block of stone, and then start working away on it. So my aim, I think, is to be able to try and get into the stone, try and get some really crazy angles and some twists and turns and just things happening that make the abstract a really interesting piece. And so I've done a few of them now, and I really like doing them. They're very, very personal, and it's just something that's just a little different from conventional sculpture, and something I really enjoy doing. So I'm really pleased that you've come to this page. I hope you like them as much as I do, and thanks for supporting me. Cheers. Bye.